Welcome back to EY class. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to convert date format to make pivot table compatible. So for example, here I download a rental bond data of New Zealand, which is in UK date format, but my computer system is default into US date format. Let me show you the problem first. So here, say for example, the first column shows in New Zealand or UK date format, it represents February 1st, 1993. But unfortunately, my computer's default setting would read it as January 2nd, 1993. So there are simple ways to convert it. But before doing the conversion, let me show you what would be the problem if the date format is not compatible with your computer setting. Now, say for example, when we insert table, suggest the whole table and insert pivot table, create a new worksheet, and when you drag the time frame into the columns box, then it will misinterpret the date as in US format. Say, for example, if I click + of year 2002, it only shows Q1 without Q2, 3, and 4. It's because all those dates will be interpreted as January because it takes the first digit as the month number in US date format. So there are two simple ways to convert it. You change your computer system setting. So let me show you why the setting is incompatible. So in your computer, you can choose the settings, then click time and language, and click region. You will find that the regional format has been set in default as English bracket United States. And because of that, then the regional format data, including date format, would be written whenever you download any data set which is in date format, would take it as month, date, year, rather than the UK or New Zealand format in date, month, year. So in order to change it, here you can click downward arrow and replace it by using English New Zealand regional format. And now the short day and long day format will be in New Zealand date format. After that, go back to download the file again. Let me show you. So let's go back to this rental bond data. Download territorial authority rental bond data. So now the date format has been correctly written in day, month, and year. Let me show you whether it works in using pivot table time function. Insert table, choose the whole table, insert pivot table, create a new worksheet, drag the time frame into the column box, and now if you click + of any year, it shows 4 quarters. That means it can read correctly. Then if you drag the location box into the row and also the median range into the value box, then let's finish it by unclick, select all, and choose 2022 and 2023, and click the +. Then now it shows all the 4 quarters. That's it. Thank you for your attention. In case you have any further questions, send me an email and I can sort it out. Bye-bye.